Hello everybody and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson, and today I am at Crystal Cottage and I have some plants to show you that I bought while I was out raiding the rack. Now, what I got was 1, 2, 3 big bushes of rhododendron that were reduced from over 500 kronas to 100 krona a piece. Beautiful plants that get beautiful white flowers all over them, and they grow tall, about 3 meters high. So they're going to be beautiful in the area of our garden here called Joachim's Corner. And as well as them, I got me 5 pots of jumbo bamboo that usually cost around about 600 krona a pot. They're really expensive. I got them for 100 krona a pot. So you can hear I've got all my plants for much less than the normal price, because it's November and people aren't buying as many, but I do, and that's when you can find bargains. So let me show you them. Look at this beauty here. There is absolutely nothing wrong with this plant. Look at that. Can you see those buds there? Loads of buds. Beautiful. And it has a tag, so I'm going to see if I can show you what it is. It says here it's called Cunningham's White Rhododendron Hybrid. Absolutely beautiful. And look at the stem on this, a nice thick solid stem, lovely stems all the way up, beautiful leaves, and I just couldn't be more happy. So that was just one of the 3. Another beautiful one here. Look at that. That's also beautiful. So I have 3 of the same. So I'm going to be putting them as a bunch along here. Now, here we have the jumbo bamboo that I bought. Look at that closer. Isn't that wonderful? Lovely green leaves. They're evergreen, or as I like to say, wintergreen. So they are green all winter, and they will give us a beautiful pop of colour and a rustling all year round. And these also grow to about 3 meters high. So they're going to be perfect here in Joachim's Corner with all the other wintergreen plants that I have now. I have a tag. This variety is called Fargesia murielae jumbo. So there's the tag. Beautiful plant. These are so expensive to buy, people, so you have to go and get them off season. I'm not going to go out and pay 600 krona for this pot, even though it's beautiful. It will grow 3 meters high, it will spread, and it will be lovely. I would rather wait until off season, go and get me 5 plants for less than the price of 1. 100 krona for this whole pot, and it's beautiful. I bought 5 of these last year, same place, same price, and they have just worked out so well. They look beautiful this year. They stayed green all winter. They've got more leaves. They've grown a little bit taller. They're doing really well. So I wanted more of this. I love the sound. I love the texture. It reminds me of tropical places in the east, like where I've been in Japan and China and places like that. So it's really nice to be able to have some of this in Sweden, where it gets a lot colder, snow, deep snow and everything. And these plants, they stay green through all of that and survive really well. So in all, if I should have bought them high season during the summer or during the spring when the rhododendrons have their flowers out, that's when they're really high priced. So now I have all these beautiful plants. I am going to go and put them in the ground in Joachim's Corner now in November. It's very mild at the moment, and I need to get them in the ground now before the frost and the snow comes. So that's all I have for you for this video. But check in again soon, because there'll be a whole video of me working that area and planting these plants. So all that's left for me to say for now is thank you very much for watching Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson. Please remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you know when my next video will be uploaded. And I will see you again very, very soon. Goodbye.